Welcome to my channel, Try My Piece. You can achieve a superior vocabulary in a short time if you learn new words in systematic manner. You will get two bonus tips to improve your vocabulary at the end of this video. Questions will be displayed on your screen and you will get some time to think. If you are not ready with the answer in your mind, you can pause the video. Let me know your score in comment section. I will reply to each one of you. I'm going to make next quiz as per subscribers' choice. So let me know that too in comments that what level of difficulty will be appreciated. This is an intermediate level. Comment with the word beginner, intermediate, advanced. This will give me an idea of viewers' requirement. Let's start. When we work hard, opportunities are a lot more dash, profuse or profound. Profuse, meaning abundant, extravagant. Rising oil prices are often considered as a dash of inflation pressures, harbinger or harvester. Harbinger, meaning forerunner, a signal of something. The professor's lecture was filled with dash references that only a few students were able to understand. Ecstatic or esoteric. Esoteric, meaning hard to understand, understood by only few. We always try to live our lives according to the dash, that it is better to give than to receive. Maxim or specimen. Maxim, meaning a fundamental principle, an old saying. I had a dream last night. It was so dash that I can remember each and every detail. Laconic or lucid. Lucid, meaning clear, easy to understand. Dogs have dash for chasing cats. Penchant or distaste. Penchant, meaning strong taste or liking for something. I would prefer dash horse as I have never ridden one. Agile or docile. Docile, meaning easily taught, easy to handle. She took a dash from her career to raise her children. Hiatus or collusion. Hiatus, meaning a break or interruption often from work. Your idea about eating plastic fruit is totally dash, inane or impeccable. Inane, meaning silly, senseless. The main reason of leaving a job is dash wages, copious or minuscule. minuscule, meaning extremely less, very tiny. He said some dash things. I couldn't figure out what he meant. Cryptic or gripping. Cryptic, meaning mysterious. Police was trying to stop all dash activities in city. Illicit or illicit. Illicit, meaning illegal. This was the tricky one. Illicit means to manage to get information clues from somebody. If you add a tie and a belt, your look will be dash, direful, or impeccable. Impeccable, meaning flawless, entirely without sin. A person who is dash uses too many words than needed. Verbose or bashful. Verbose, meaning using too many words. A storm produced a dash amount of rain. Copious or minuscule. Copious, meaning in large amounts, plentiful. How many did you get right? I'm going to tell you meaning of other hard words in the end. But first, bonus tips. Bonus tip number 1. You should write these words with the use in sentence in your notebook and revise it daily for 7 days. You will never forget these words in your lifetime. If you are too lazy to grab a notebook, you can watch this video 7 days straight. Bonus tip number 2. Use these words while talking or writing to someone. Use it in sentences framed by you. This will work like magic. Meaning of other new words which appeared in the video. Profound. Having great knowledge of understanding. Harvester. A machine or a person that gathers crops as a harvest. Ecstatic. Extremely happy. Specimen. An example of a particular type of thing. Laconic. Using few words, especially to the point of seeming rude. Distaste. Not liking something. Agile. Able to move quickly and easily. Collusion. Secret agreement, especially in order to do something dishonest. Gripping. Fascinating. Holding the attention. Direful. Causing great fear. Dreadful. Bashful. Socially shy or timid. Last but not the least, subscribe to my channel Try My Quiz for learning new words twice in a week. Just imagine where you will land after a month or two. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. In my next video, I'm going to post a quiz on grammar. Tell me in comments what kind of key quizzes you need. Thank you.